Welcome back to Brandon's World. Before your eyes is the Burj Khalifa light show. The light show is entitled World of Color. Burj Khalifa World of Color will illuminate the world's tallest tower, as well as Dubai's skyline with kaleidoscopic colors and lasers as the world-famous LED screen showcase the shades of color spectrum and different shapes. There are 1.2 million lights on the Burj Khalifa, and they will all illuminate the sky for the show. The Burj Khalifa LED light show broke the Guinness World Records for the largest light and sound show on a single structure. For this amazing feat, McLaren Engineering Group reviewed the structural components of the LED strip system designed to mount to the exterior vertical stainless steel fins of the Burj Khalifa, the tallest building in the world. The LED system, totaling more than 17 miles of LED lights, was installed on all the fins of the southeast side of the skyscraper facing the lagoon. The structural components consisted of an aluminum extrusion which housed LED modules, plus cable runs for power and control cables, as well as mounting brackets that attached to the existing vertical fins on the exterior of the building. Each show runs for about 2.5 to 3 minutes long. It only costs $408,396 to run this light show annually. The 1.2 million lights saves 3,200 kilowatts of energy daily thanks to the solar panels. Now that's what I call going green. If you'd like to advertise on the world's tallest building, it would cost you a minimum of $68,066.10. That includes a 3-minute ad on the weekday, which would typically run from 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. It would cost $95,292.55 for a weekend ad that ran for 3 minutes as well. Thank you for watching the Burj Khalifa Light Show. Please leave us a comment and let us know what you think. If you are new to our channel, welcome. And if you've been here before, thank you for rocking with us. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share.